Hello everyone, my name is Sandeep Patil and today we are discuss on a different phases of clinical trials. What is meant by clinical trials? Clinical trial is a systematically investigation in a human subject for the safety and efficacy of new drugs. Clinical trials are set in a different stage of medicals and the research and development of a drug to generate the safety and efficacy data for the health inventors in human beings. Clinical trials, when it carried out after getting approval from the FDA of a investigational new drug that is IND, we start the clinical trials that contain many phases. Many phases. We start from the phase 0, uh, that is called as a microdosing, where a minute quantity of dose are taken to determine the safety and efficacy of the new drug. Uh, just like a 100 mg of drug, that's it. 1 mg of drugs are taken for the minute dosing. Then we are moved towards the phase 1. Phase 1 clinical trials are also known as a healthy volunteers. In this stage, we are determining the safety, tolerability, pharmacokinetic and pharmacodynamics effect on a human subject. Mainly 20 to 25 healthy volunteers are taken, uh, and we are uh, we are give them a ascending quantity of dose to check the safety and efficacy of new drugs. So the patient do not have any other disease, or they don't take any other therapy, just like anti-cancer drugs or AIDS therapy. The aim of this phase is determine the maximum tolerance dose. That is, we are determine the how many dose is required for the safety and efficacy of the new drug. Phase 1 contain uh, SAD, that is a single ascending dose, uh, MAD, multiple ascending dose, and food effect. They determine the any changes are occur after consumption, after eating foods or any other objects, just like alcohols or others. Then we are carried out phase 2. In this phase, uh, that is called as a therapeutic exploratory trials. This phase is mainly designed to assess the dosing requirement and efficacy of new drug. Then we are move on to the phase 3. Phase 3 trials is also known as the therapeutic confirmatory trials. In these trials, we are taken 100 to 3,000 patients. It might be 5 years or more than 5 years of duration are taken for this trial. The main purpose of this trial is to establish the efficacy of the new drugs, as well as we study the safety, efficacy, and effectiveness of the new drugs. This phase is divided in two phases, just like a phase 3A and phase 3B. Uh, that's it. Period to NDA generate advanced safety and efficacy. phase 2B after the NDA but period to the approval of launch. Phase 4 is known as a post-surveillance trials. In these trials, we, after getting approvals from the FDA or CDSCO, we launch drug in the market. So after that, we continuously taking a monitoring on the new drugs by getting a data from different sources, just like medical, hospitals, and the people, where where we continue monitor continuously for 2 years after getting an approval. After getting an approval, in this phase 4, we determine and study the ADRs, adverse drug reaction, food drug reaction, as well as drug reaction. That's it. That's are the 4 stages of clinical trials, where we conducted different phases on different trials. It might be taken 7 and more than 7 years. Thank you.